Welcome to the sassy, sarcastic channel by McCaffeine. That's me. It feels so good to be back, and since my exams have finally ended, I got the time to shoot. So I woke up today thinking like, what should I shoot? What should I do? Should I shoot? Should I not? Like, because I'm still kind of recovering and my voice still sounds funky. But this came in and I thought like, why not? Let's do it. So this is the January box. This did not come in the regular GlamEgo outer packaging. The previous boxes came in like something that looked like this, and this was like really sturdy and stuff. This, however, feels a little flimsy. I don't know. I haven't opened it as yet. So let's see. Where is my scissor? Okay. The box says no resolutions, and I love how there are like women of different skin tones, because that's so important these days. So this is the real deal, and it has one info card which gives us information about all the products that are inside, and there are 4 products. GlamEgo usually gives out 4 products, and one being a makeup and the rest being of a skincare. So this time let's see what's there inside. So the first one is BIOBLOOM Face Radiance Oil, which is worth $1,499. Start slowing the process of aging in the most natural way. So let's get to this. This is the BIOBLOOM face oil. I haven't opened it yet because I haven't opened it or used it yet. So this is the packaging, and it says BIOBLOOM, beautiful naturally skincare face oil. It's age defying and radiance booster. It is 100% natural and it contains 15 ml of product, and it smells like kind of olivey, and it absorbs really fast. That I can see. I just put 1 drop and it's already gone. So, and it does not leave back any oily, shine or anything. It's very natural looking. You can see that there's no shine whatsoever. The next is VOSTE lip gloss, worth $599. It is a Italy formulated lip gloss that gives moisturized and plump looking lips, which is perfect for winter. Just replace matte lipsticks with glossy ones this winter. Swipe into lips for an instant moisture. Now GlamEgo lets you customize or select the shade of the lip product you want. I have seen that in the first box that I ordered in the month of November as well. This time there were 4 options, one being a brown, a nude, and a red and a pink. So I went with the pink one. It's called Pop of Pink in the shade number 3. So this is what it looks like. It's in a very sleek packaging, very chic looking glass bottle, and this is what the tip looks like. It has a lot of color. You can see it's not very transparent. It's sort of translucent, and it has a shade. It can be used underneath. You can use it to moisturize your lips just by wearing this, or you can use it as a lip topper like I'm doing right now. And VOSTE is one, I think. VOSTE is an Italy based company, as it read on the info card, and it's really good. The lipsticks that I have used previously of this company are really moisturizing, and it does not like smudge. Even though it's not matte, it does not smudge very easily. I think I have one right here somewhere. Yeah, this one came in the November box, and it's really good. It's in the shade purple, and it is not matte exactly, but it does not smudge either. Going to the next product, we have the Natural Bath and Body Grapefruit Vitamin C Vital Nourishment Cream, worth $220. So the explanation reads, it's a brand that makes their product with the extracts of trendy organic nature's ingredients. Here with another amazing skincare product. All you have to do is apply a pea-sized amount to your face for perfect moisturized skin. So I think this is the one. This is the bottle. It's a travel sized product, and it reads Natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishment Cream that contains grapefruit and vitamin C. It is for lighter, whiter and brighter fix. So this contains around, where is it written? So the net volume of this is 20 ml, and it's a sample size product. I'm sorry, it's not a travel size product. It's a sample size product, and it's made in India. It can be used within 6 months of opening. It is not tested on animals. Everything is mentioned over here. The ingredients, how to use it, everything is mentioned. And let's open. It smells like tangy, creamy sort of thing. It smells like an orange milkshake basically. and it is very creamy, so I hope that it moisturizes well. It takes a long time to mix, that I can see right now. The oil was easier to work with, right, compared to this. So it takes a lot of effort to mix in. I would suggest using this like in your nighttime routine. That would be really good for your, like, moisturizing your skin. I'm sorry for the background music, that's my brother. Okay. The last product is a skincare or makeup. Okay, they have not like mentioned it. It's a skincare or makeup product from premium brands Upto. That will be worth up to 350. So I think I got a shower gel. Fourth product in this box was actually a surprise thing that was going on, because that's what it read in the Instagram page of GlamEgo, that you could get something around from a foot care product to a BIOBLOOM nail color, or a shower gel from McCaffeine, and that's what I got. So it's a liquid funk caffeine shower gel with taurine and vitamin E. So I am looking forward to trying this. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. It smells like cologne, and I like that. I like my... So that is all for this box. Make sure you like my video before leaving and subscribe to my channel. And if you want, you can follow me on all other social media. All the information regarding GlamEgo is also mentioned in the description box. So make sure you go check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's all for today.